Hey guys, today let's learn how to save WhatsApp one-time image on your iPhone. So in the case that you guys received a specific image on the WhatsApp application that only allows you to view this photo on a one-time only or on a specific time limit, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to save this photo even though we have that limit. So what we actually need to do first before we start is, of course, we need to be aware of our iPhone's features. As we are aware, iPhone actually has this screen recording feature which allows you to record your screens as you go through the photo. So you can actually go ahead and record your screens prior to launching and opening the specific photo that person has sent you so that you could take a virtual video of the photo and, well, take a screenshot right after you have saved the video. So in this case, all we need to do is to tap on this to have it started and go ahead and launch the WhatsApp application. And then we need to go ahead and, of course, go to the specific chat that person has sent you a one-time image. So in this case, all we need to do is to go ahead and just tap on that photo, play it all the way through, and that is going to be recorded by your screen recorder feature. Just tap on this button once more to stop recording. Alternatively, you could also go ahead and, well, tap on the photo or video and basically take a quick screenshot using your phone's screenshot feature. And for those who don't know, it's going to be the power button on the right side of your device and the volume up button. So just go ahead and just press and hold that and release real quick, and that's going to allow you to take a screenshot of the one-time image. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.